Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to install Windows 10 apps without the Windows Store. Click the Windows Start button and select Settings. Navigate to Update and Security and for Developers. Click the button next to Sideload Apps. Click Yes to agree to sideloading.
Take our lead.
Update Microsoft Store. Select the Start button, and then from the Apps list, select Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, select See More Downloads and Updates. Get updates. If an update for Microsoft Store is available, it will start installing automatically.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First of all, make sure that you are logged into Windows as administrator. Click on the Start button and choose Settings. This is not the only reason why you may not be able to install or run applications on Windows 10, but this one is most likely to be true if Windows Store apps are installed without problems.
Take our lead.
Select Start Settings, Apps, and Features. Under Installing Apps, select one of the available options. To stop seeing app recommendations, select either Allow apps from anywhere or Turn off app recommendations. Options vary by Windows version.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.